In the last video, I showed you how to create a mandala design using Photoshop's symmetry feature and by combining 2 or 3 designs downloaded from Creativefabrica. I decided to also show 3 free mandala generators for those of you that don't have Photoshop or Creativefabrica subscription. Before getting to the websites, please check the terms and conditions of each website for commercial use. Before we start, I want to first show you how good mandala coloring books are doing on Amazon KDP market. We will choose 3 different books and review their sales performance. If you are new to this channel, my name is Anna and I do videos on how to create, maintain, and grow your KDP business. If you like videos like that, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also smash that notification bell to receive notifications when I produce videos like this. And if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. It's very much appreciated. Let's search mandala and Amazon will give you some suggestions. Let's go with mandala coloring book. It's not fair to compare hardcover with paperback, so let's narrow down our selection to just paperback. So the first book is actually Animal Mandala, so I'm gonna ignore that one. But let's open the next 3 books. Press Ctrl and click on each link to open it up on a new tab. Open up your notepad and write down the price and number of pages. Okay, let's go to KDP royalty calculator and enter the number of pages, marketplace, and book price. Write down the royalty of each book on your notepad. We are going to use that number later on. To get the number of sales per month, we also need the bestsellers rank of each book. And now let's go to TCK Publishing to get the number of sales per month for each book. If you watched my previous videos, you would know this is my go-to to calculate the bestsellers rank to sales. So as you can see, our first book sells 6,435 books per month. The second one sells 924 books per month, and the last one 499 books per month. If we multiply the number of sales by royalties, you can see first book makes $5,341 per month. The second book makes $785 per month. And the last one makes $424 per month. As I always say, $424 may not seem very much, but for a moment think if you had 10 books like this. And also, I should remind you, once you publish your book, your job is almost done. You can leave the marketing to Amazon, or if you think your book needs a little push, you can create an ad campaign. Okay, let's get to the second part and actually create some mandala designs. First website is stedler.com. The main idea is to use patterns designed by different artists to create a 6-layered mandala. So just search Mandala Generator followed by a Stedler. Click on number 1 on the right hand and then click on the blue box next to where it says Pattern 1 and choose your pattern. As you can see in the first box, you can change the number of patterns in this layer, size of the pattern, and the rotation of it. On the second box, you can change the size of the whole layer 1 and how close your patterns will be from each other, and also you can rotate the whole layer. Once you're happy with the first layer, click on the number 2 box on the right hand and repeat this for all 6 layers. At the end, click on download at the bottom right and this will download a PDF with transparent background for you. Our second website is called Mandala Maker. Just type in mandalamaker.online and you will be presented with a page like this. The black box is your setting panel, so you can change the color of background as well as the color of the lines. For our coloring book, we want white background and black lines, so I'm not gonna change those two. And then we have sectors, which is the number of pies on your circle. The more sectors you have, more detailed and complicated your final mandala design will be. So I'm gonna change that to 20 here. And lastly, your line width is technically your line width, so you can change that as you wish. To have a better look, I will zoom in by 150%. To do that, you can press Ctrl and scroll up with your mouse or hit plus on your keyboard. And when you're ready, you can start drawing your pattern. I mean, I would love to increase the softness of the lines, but unfortunately in this website we don't have that feature. But if you're used to drawing on digital canvas or have one of these digital pens, your job will be much easier. One thing that I don't like about this website is that you cannot undo anything. So you have to be very, very precise and accurate. Or for every minor mistake, you have to clear the whole canvas and start over. One tip that I learned during one of my first attempts is that if you zoom in and zoom back out, your design will disappear. When you're done drawing, don't zoom out. Just save your design, and if you didn't like it, you can draw another one. You cannot change or undo anything anyway. Once you click on save, it will download a PNG file for you, which you can use on your coloring book. Last but not least is MandalaGaba. MandalaGaba is very similar to the last website, but with few improvements. With every new session, the number of stakes, background color, as well as pen color will change. So If you're creating design for your KDP book, make sure you change background color to white and pen color to black. To adjust the background color, first bring your color picker to the center and drag this to far right and click on bucket. Wait 1 to 2 seconds, and when your setting is back to pen setting, drag this to far left to make it black. Now let's increase the stakes. As I said before, the more stakes you have, your mandala design will be more detailed and complicated. And now when you feel happy with the background color and pen color, you can start drawing. And if you didn't like your line and your pattern, you can just click on undo button. MandalaGaba is very similar to the last website, but with few improvements. First of all, you can undo as much as you want, so you can create a perfect result. The second advantage is that your canvas is much bigger, but even if you zoom in for a section and zoom out back, your design won't disappear. Once you've finished, click on Save and Share, and this will pop up a window for you. Click on the link on top left hand to download your design. So that's it for now. That's a relatively simple way of creating a coloring book interior page. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I do my best to answer them all. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell and give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. And you have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.